This video emphasizes on the project management module of eLite, a light business ERP solution. In project management, we handle project teams, discussion as shown here, as well as project tasks, issues or change request, calendar, expenses and timesheet, which will be detailed as we proceed further. This page shows the already added projects. To add a new project, click on the New button. A new window will open up in which all the necessary details have to be added. We have a functionality copy project. It makes the clone of the already existing projects. If we select yes, search project field is enabled, which contains lookup for the projects which have already been added. When we select a project, press OK. The project name, project phase, its project manager, the start date gets mapped. We fill all the necessary details such as project code. We can change the project name as per our convenience. We can change the project phase to in planning, on hold or archived. We keep it as in planning. The start date has already been mapped as the previous project. We select the end date. We enter the budget. Now when we select the search project functionality, the tasks already added in eLite would be mapped to eLite version 1, which is our new project. We save and close the project. This is our new project that has been created. We open it. The task summary show tasks already added to the eLite as well as to the eLite version 1. Now we can also add new project tasks to the eLite version 1, the new project which is created by us. To add a new project task, select the project task field on the left navigation pane. A new window opens up which already shows the tasks that has been mapped from the clone project functionality. To add a new task, click on the button Add New Project Task. A new window opens up in which the necessary details have to be filled, such as task name. We add eLite task 1. The project is eLite version 1 in which we are adding our task. This field is disabled, so we cannot change the project name. We select the start date, such as date 24th, finish date 25th. The duration is of 2 days, that is 24th and 25th, and the work hours is days multiplied by 8, 16. Actual work hours are added from the timesheet or the ECR, which will be detailed as we proceed further. Task status remains open and percent complete is manually filled by the project management on completion of task. Number of resources. This is a resource pool which shows how many resources are needed. If we select one, there is one resource containing the lookup for the employee. We can select the employee name to add in the resource pool. When we select two resources, we show two options. When we select this, employee lookup shows up and we can select the employee to be added into the resource pool. This is the task added in the project eLite version 1. We can save and close the task by clicking this button. We can add as many tasks as we want by clicking this button and saving the tasks. We also have the functionality to add reimbursements, project issues and discussion for the tasks and the projects which will be handled by the employee portal.